To all the Earth citizens making the world a better place. We're growing. Hey, here we go. Sing along now, come on. Way, we are guardians of the earth. Wake up to the world of energy. Hey, body is a home, ancient from the cosmos. Violence and hate is not a natural state. When you look down at the earth from the sky, where are the borders? Where are the borders? Expand your identity, become a child of the earth. Oh, you rainbow children out there, we are guardians of the earth. When you wake up to the world of energy, endings become beginnings. I can feel myself transcending to the language of life. Hey, break the chains of group identity. Don't be fooled by hope. Live your life passionately. I can choose a reality I'm creating. Be one with the flow of life. Hey, we are guardians of the earth. We are guardians of the earth. Sing along now. Be a being of infinite creation. When you feel you reach the end of the road, take one more step. Happiness is a natural state of existence. We are guardians of the earth. We are guardians of the earth. We are guardians of the earth. Wake up! 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 Wake up! Come on, we can do this. Be well and keep shining.